just wanted to show you a little bit of a Explorer 36 and on a wrist, and how it feels and looks on the wrist. So yeah, I've been wearing it for some time now, and I bought it actually a bit before, but yeah, I haven't been wearing it a lot, and now it's time. It's more hot and my wrists and hands are sweating, so it's perfect for summer, and this is a perfect one and done watch, if you ask me. If I would have to, I just did a video, one and done watch, but if I would have to have just one, this one would fit the bill. Yeah. Still get uncomfy walking and talking and filming myself. I don't know why, but yeah, here's another look. Yeah, just comfortable watch. I like the fact it has no date, no hustle. Just set the time, put it on your wrist, and forget about it. And it's one of the best things about it, alongside with the second best thing about it, that 90% of the people won't even take notice of it, won't even recognize it as a Rolex, won't even acknowledge it. It's just a simple black watch that tells the time, tells it good, and tells a good time, and does it perfectly. Won't break the bank. It won't break the bank. It's just gonna be a great watch, and you can wear it for the rest of your life and you won't have problems with it. So yeah, just gonna cross the street because there's a herd of people coming towards me, and yeah. Do you like these watches? These reviews in a whilst me wearing it, because there's not much. I don't need to talk about this watch too much. It's been already, everything's been said. If you want a watch that's not gonna scream, look at me, I have a Rolex, just get this one. And has so much history, and this is a enthusiast's watch. This is a watch for enthusiasts, and that's all I have to say. So thank you for watching, and see you guys.